Hey loves, I'm back again to share my first Ipsy bag. I received it today in the mail. Right here. I have not opened it. This is the October bag. So yeah, I'm ready to show you loves. Get it open. Okay, and like I said, this is my first bag. I've heard a lot about these bags, so that's what made me want to see what it was all about. So first, when I pull the stuff out the bag, is this card, and it has Alter Ego on it, Alter Ego Ipsy. And on the back it says, I'm trying to see if it opens. I don't think so. Okay. On the back it says, dare to be different. This October, transform into whoever you want to be. A little imagination and your glam bag are all you need. And infinite possibilities, infinite ways to express yourself. Win a 1-year subscription. And then it has the details at the bottom. And I will include all that stuff down below just in case you ladies are interested, if you're not, subscribed already, whatever. So yeah, the bag looks like this. I love this bag. Gold, I do love pink, black, and gold. This is so pretty. It's gold on this side, and then it's black, like a black patent leather on this side. And then on the keychain it has Ipsy on the key tag. I love this. So first I'm going to pull out the first thing I see. First thing I see is this little cute brown box. It's so itty bitty. And I'm going to open it. And it is a Rollerball perfume, and it says exotic and spicy. Isn't that cute? Cute. Let's smell it. Ooh. Trying to get my mind, what does it smell like? Y'all know I am a sucker for smell goods. I'm a sucker. Ooh. I'm trying to get in my mind. It smells like, God, what does this smell like? It'll come to me. Imani? I think it was called Imani. I was a young girl, but my mom used to use it all the time. I think it was called Imani. It smells, oh my goodness, it smells good. And it smells sweet and spicy. That's how it smells. Honey. Ooh, it smells so good. Yes, I'm putting it over here by my perfumes already. Next, I am pulling out is a super proof gel brow pencil, touch and soul, and it says browser. I'm trying to see who it's by. Let me see if I can get it open. Oops. Don't want to mess it up. Okay. Hold on, y'all. Alright, it has 2 ends to it. It has a brow brush on one end. I'm going to show y'all as soon as I can get the other end. Hold on. Okay. First, it has, both ends have a top on it. I'm gonna show you the whole. It's by, I wanna say it says in browser, but it looks like this. And this end has your gel brow, well, if I can get, well, I guess that's all the product you get. But this has the gel brow end pencil at the end. And then the opposite end has the spoolie, which is neat for your brows. So yeah, that's pretty neat. And I will, let me see. The color is about right there. It's kind of like a ebony brown, real deep brown, because it's not black. So yeah, I still can smell their perfume. Oh, so that's the brow gel pencil. Next we have Hey Honey Come Clean Propolis and Minerals Facial Scrub. Cleanses and exfoliates for all skin types. And I will be doing a review on this. And it says gently spread over face and cheeks. Gradually add water with fingertips until all mineral crystals are dissolved. Massage the resulting lotion into the skin for 1 minute. Rinse with cool water. I will be trying this and keep you loves up to date on how I like it and how it is on my skin. Doesn't really have a smell, so that's good, because a lot of fragrance stuff I cannot use on my face. Next up we have the Balm Meet Matte Hues Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick. And I'm trying to see. And this is in Committed. And it's so cute. It looks like this. Has a man and a woman on the front of it. Let's see what it looks like, loves. Gorgeous. Pretty, pretty, pretty. I like that. That's pretty. It has kind of like a minty. Yeah. Has like a minty cakey smell. Next we have, well, last but not least, I think that's it. Last but not least, we have a Hello Lashes 5-in-1 clinically proven mascara with lash ball detailer with Hydrolux technology, peptides, collagen, proteins, and jojoba. Go vertical with the lash ball detailer to lift your lashes. Real results. And it shows prior to and then it shows afterwards. 2 pictures on here. Then it says 430% increase in lash volume, 114% increase in lash length. And it looks like this. And those are the two examples I was talking about. The top one is before, the bottom is after. Let's see here. And it looks like this, and it's by It Cosmetics. Hello Lashes 5-in-1. Let's see here. So I'm opening it. Actually feel it combing your lashes. A little bit so. Oh yeah. And it doesn't really have a smell to it. Oh yeah, that is the Hello Lashes by Ipsy Cosmetics 5-in-1. So yeah, that's the end of my unboxing, my Ipsy bag. This is my first bag, and I must say I am very pleased with this bag. As far as the outside and its contents, I will be sharing another bag with you all in the future, and this is the October Ipsy bag. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed my video. Make sure you thumbs up this video. Please share this video. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, and I will return the love. So yeah, and stay tuned, because within 2 more days my giveaway will start, and it is October 16th through October 30th. 2 prizes that are included in this giveaway is a full-size handbag and wallet, and a set of makeup brushes. So yeah, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and share my videos, and I will see you in the next video. Continue to love, live life, and continue to stay blessed. My loves.